Welcome back to another Tech Deep Dive, where we explore the latest tools that promise to revolutionize your coding life. Today, we're talking about SuperClaude. And trust me, this isn't just another shiny wrapper around existing tech. This is Claude Code on steroids, with a PhD in productivity and a minor in making developers actually happy. So what exactly is SuperClaude? Picture Claude Code as that reliable friend who's always there to help with your coding problems. Now imagine that friend suddenly gained superpowers, learned 19 new skills, developed multiple personalities, and somehow became even more efficient at managing tokens than your most budget-conscious project manager. That's SuperClaude in a nutshell. This open source configuration framework doesn't just add features to Claude Code, it fundamentally transforms how you interact with AI-powered development. We're talking about 19 specialized commands, 9 distinct personas, and integration with cutting-edge tools like Context 7, Sequential Thinking, Magic, and Puppeteer. It's like having a whole team of expert consultants living in your terminal, except they don't charge by the hour and they never complain about the coffee quality. The installation process is refreshingly straightforward in a world where setting up dev tools usually requires a computer science degree and 3 cups of coffee. Just clone the repo, run the install script, and boom, you've got a supercharged development environment. No dependency hell, no configuration nightmares, just clean installation that works on Linux, Mac OS, and even WSL. Everything lives tidily in your home directory under a Claude folder, because apparently someone finally learned the art of not cluttering up your project spaces. But here's where things get really interesting. The persona system. Instead of getting generic AI responses, you can now channel specific expert perspectives with simple flags. Need architectural insights? Use Persona Architect. Building a front-end? Try Persona Front-end for UX-focused suggestions. It's like having access to a consulting firm where each expert actually knows what they're talking about and won't bill you for thinking time. The command arsenal is genuinely impressive. We've got build for project scaffolding, dev setup for spinning up environments, test with coverage options, and quality tools like review for code reviews and analyze for system breakdowns. There's troubleshoot for debugging, improve for optimization, and explain for when you need documentation that doesn't read like it was written by a robot having an existential crisis. The operational side isn't forgotten either. You get deploy, migrate, scan for security, estimate for project planning, clean for maintenance, and even Git for workflow management. It's comprehensive enough to handle your entire development lifecycle without feeling overwhelming or bloated. What sets SuperClaude apart is the MCP integration potential. With the right servers configured, you can use flags like C7 for Context 7, Sec for sequential reasoning, Magic for AI-generated UI components, and Pup for browser automation. Yes, you need to set up MCP servers separately, which might feel like a missed opportunity for plug-and-play convenience, but the modularity keeps things lightweight and lets you customize your setup exactly how you want it. The token efficiency features deserve special mention, because anyone who's hit LLM token limits knows the frustration. SuperClaude includes template systems for referencing configs without repetition, ultra-compressed modes for tight situations, and context-aware compression that actually works intelligently, rather than just truncating your prompts like a overzealous editor. Perhaps the most fascinating feature is the introspection mode. You can literally run, troubleshoot, introspect, and watch the framework analyze its own behavior, identify patterns, and suggest optimizations to itself. It's like having a meta debugger for your AI assistant, which sounds like science fiction, but works surprisingly well in practice. The workflow possibilities are genuinely exciting. Imagine designing an enterprise API by running design API DDD, bounded context, persona, architect, then following up with estimate detailed worst case sec for resource planning, scan security, validate persona security for reviews, and finally build API TDD coverage persona backend for implementation. It's command line driven, but feels like conversing with a specialized team of experts who actually understand your project context. SuperClaude represents something more significant than just another AI tool. It's a glimpse into how AI development assistants might evolve. More modular, more specialized, more integrated into actual development workflows rather than just being a fancy autocomplete. The open source nature means the community can extend and improve it, And the persona system suggests a future where AI assistants become genuinely specialized rather than jack-of-all-trades generalists. For developers already using Claude Code, SuperClaude feels like a natural evolution. For those new to AI-assisted development, it might represent the kind of comprehensive, thoughtful approach that makes the technology actually useful rather than just impressive in demos. The future of coding assistants isn't just about smarter AI, it's about smarter integration, better workflows, and tools that understand the complexity of real development work. SuperClaude gets us closer to that vision, one specialized command at a time. So if you like this video, subscribe. I am going to bring more news and tools to the channels these days, very important tools.